And welcome back to what must be the final episode of the US 76 Capri series. So as you can notice now, the bonnet's back on, which is a massive milestone. So what I'm doing now is I'm getting it one sort of final clean up, because I made a bit of mess in the bay again, and this bonnet is, well, like the rest of the engine bay was, it's filthy. So I'm going to give that Built Hamber APC another test and see what we can get off. And then really after that I've got a bung to put on when it arrives in the post and a few other little bits. I'll go through the car and then I think we're ready to do it up really. Yeah, be nice. I'll crack on for a minute, I'll see you shortly. Go. Well, I think that's it. One beautiful Mercury Capri. That's practically done for now. So it wasn't half as simple as it was meant to be originally. Rather a lot of work has gone into it, just to get it to the point where it's safe to drive. It actually runs, goes forward, back, and even stops. I know next on the list now, the owner wants a new tail lights, start tidying up a bit. It's booked in to go and have a new exhaust system custom made for it, which it desperately needs. And then it will probably require a bit of a carb tune up at some point, but we took it out for a proper test drive the other evening and it drives great. So can't be too much wrong with it. But yeah, I would say I'm very, very happy with this one. Let's have another peek inside a minute. It's also booked in, I think, next Wednesday to be professionally valeted, so by the time this video comes out it will be cleaned up inside and it'll be looking stunning. Let's turn the torch on a minute. Oh god, if I can remember how to use a torch. So yeah, I'm overall very, very happy considering the sort of state it come to me in and how sort of maybe molested it's been by previous owners and issues caused. It's come out great. It's brought life into the car, which was looking a bit sad. And of course most garages wouldn't really want to touch it, so it would have to be a classic car sort of specialist who wants to put time into it. And even then it would have cost a fortune to, you know, the man hour going into it and such. Let's pop this off a minute. Can't remember the last stage I showed you, the bay, which was, to be fair, earlier in this video, but it was last weekend it would have actually been. Let's have a peek sec. There we go, is that better now? There. Paint on the this cover isn't great, it's all coming off and a bit of water's caused it to rust. I'll clean up the bonnet, and she's, for the ones of you that were watching from day one, you'll remember what this bay was like, how messy it was, how messed up it all was, and how nothing worked and everything appeared to be broken. But no more. As far as I'm aware now, I think bar one tail light, it all works. So I would say a win. I'm sure there's probably more to do in the future, probably more maintenance, and I think eventually the owner likes this car a lot, so he might look into tidying up more and going a bit keen on it. So I think dependent on time, funds and all that kind of such. But for now, I think this is a good, honest classic, and it will go great. It shows it's actually booked in, they're currently doing a rather large car run right now, so it's due to be up with potentially another sort of 70 to 100 vehicles this afternoon. So its first outing is going to be a good one. So yeah, I think that kind of does that. If you happen to have enjoyed this sort of DIY, say sort of semi-restoration, repair, whatever you want to call it really, then why not stick around? Why not follow other projects like my twin turbo Capri or my 25 turbo Golf. It's not really been featured much on the channel. Maybe the Turbo Technics Ranger Classic. It's sort of due to start getting some videos in the future as I dive into that one. Maybe not looking forward to that one because there's lots of issues with that, and that's actually coming up my own pocket this time. So yeah, we'll try to ignore that for the minute. But yeah, why not like the video? Tell me what you think. Tell me maybe if I'm doing something wrong, or if you're happy with what I'm doing. Share the video around social media. Does me favours. Obviously, more viewers, the more support, the more I'm going to try to get some videos out, really. But yeah, and if nothing else, just subscribe and follow me for more content. I'm sure it's going to be full of success and fails. I think now we've ended on a success, so very pleased with that. I've been Jordan, and I'll see you next time. Bye.